Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website in Canva and how you can host this website to the live server, and it's totally free of cost. So first of all, open the canva.com. As you can see, this is the canva.com. Now create an account with Google in Canva. You don't need a premium account. You can use the free Canva account. Okay, once you log into Canva, your dashboard look like this. As you can see here, here's the option of website. So just click on this, or if you not find that option here, so just in the search bar, just search here website. That's it. Now we can see the website. Just click on that website option and you have the predefined templates to create a website. So there are some premium template and some free template. So we're going to use here the free templates here. Okay. Or you can create a website from scratch also. So I'm going to use here the simple template here. Suppose I want to create a website for the beauty products. Let's try this Flare Beauty. Okay. Let's use this, customize this product, customize this template and this. So this is our first page. Okay, just got it. As you can see here, once you use this, you can see the first image, second, third. We have a products, brand, it means testimonials, and the contact info, right? Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna change the things. Like I don't like that one picture, so I'm gonna just change the picture of that website. What you need to do, in the left side, you will see here the apps option. Click on it, and just the share Pixabay. Try this. Yes, just click on it. Just open this. Okay, and you have a lot of images. I'm going to just search here the beauty product. Okay, so I'm going to just try this one image. Okay, now we have that image changed. Now you can change the content also. Suppose I don't like these products, I want to add my own product, so you can add all these products. Suppose like in the left side you will see here the upload option. Click on it and you can upload your own images and you can drag and drop all these images here. If you want to change the content of these products, so just click on here and just change it to the product 1 like this, or just say here product 2. Okay, now we have changed the banner of the website, we have changed the content of website, we have changed the product details here. Now you can change the contact details and everything. I don't like that picture, so I'm going to just change something as like contact and use here the contact something, and you can see this picture I'm going to add here like this. So it's look fine. Now we have the website. Now I want to make a live so anyone can use it. Okay, so how we can do this? So for that, as you can see the publish website option, so click on this and now here we'll get the resize on mobile. Yes, resize it for mobile, and website URL you need it. So suppose I need a website URL like suppose Saurabh. Okay, and as you can see dot my Canva site. Okay, now let's click on the publish website. If you don't find that name, so you can try to change another name. Okay, suppose if I just try to do the Google. Okay, as you can see URL is not available. Okay, so Saurabh and it's available. You can click on the use of custom domain to use your own domain. Suppose I have a domain like the codingbuzz.info, so I can use that domain in Canva. Okay, so you need to buy the domain name only. Okay, but you can use, if you don't want to buy the domain, so you can use that my Canva site domain. Okay, it's totally free of cost. And let's click on the publish website and just wait, and that will host your website to the live server. So in the world, anyone can access your website. You can see website is done. Copy this, open the incognito window and just search here saurabh.mycanva.site. Wow, that's website really amazing. You can do the lot of things. You can add here the contact number, you can add WhatsApp, you can add the contact form, and lot of more things you can do. So this is the easiest way to create your website and host your website in Canva free of cost. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.